Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Natasha and today's video is all about one of my favorite hair products of all time, which is Olaplex. So Olaplex is considered a bond builder to protect your hair from chemical damage, and I've seen a ton of videos on just how drastic a difference it makes in your hair. So I wanted to make a tutorial for those curious on how this product line works with thick and curly hair. For reference, I describe my texture as type 3C, sometimes 4A, and very high porosity. So this just means that my hair needs a lot of moisture, definition, and especially protein for me to have what I would consider a good hair day. So that being said, in this video, I'll be going over the entire 7-step hair reparative Olaplex system, showing just how it works, what it's used for, how to apply it, and most importantly, which specific products are worth it and actually make a difference. According to the directions, you start off with number 0 and number 3 to set a foundation before you start washing it. If you like products that show immediate results, then you'll love number 3, my favorite out of the whole set, which is why I keep a couple extra stocked up, because it just really makes an obvious difference like every single use. So first thing you do is completely saturate your hair from root to tip with a primer. Next, detangle it a little bit and then apply a generous amount of the bond reparative treatment, focusing on your hair ends and any dry areas especially. For me, this is like the side of my face and the crown of my head. You want to let this sit for at least an hour to let the products really soak in and rebuild those damaged hair bonds from heat or overstyling or what have you. I have a lot of hair, so I usually let it sit for like 2 or 3. Next up is the actual wash, which is step 4 and 5 of the Olaplex system. I'm starting off with the shampoo to wash these products out, and this is truly, honestly, my all-time favorite shampoo. It has aloe vera in it, so it actually detangles my hair, which isn't always common for a shampoo. Plus, it's sulfate-free, it smells great, and even though a little bit goes a long way, it still gives me this great bubbly lather, and it just always leaves my hair and my scalp squeaky clean and detangled and very well primed for styling. After that is the conditioner, or step 5, and a little tip, I keep it sitting upside down in my shower so it's just easier to squeeze out. This gives my hair the slip that it needs in order to brush it out, and it adds some moisture back after shampooing. It also seems to give me some curl definition or waves in the shower, which I've noticed makes my hair last longer until the next wash day, and it just makes it easier to style. Super important though, make sure to build a habit of rinsing those products out with cool water at the end of your shower just to seal the cuticle and lock in moisture. You should honestly do this regardless of your hair type or the products you use or your shower routine. It just makes your hair much softer and less frizzy over time, and it also has a lot of great benefits for your skin. Alright, so this is my hair wet after styling it with number 6 in their system and adding some finger coils. I like to use a diffuser to quickly dry my hair and keep it defined, and then as the days go on, my hair will grow in volume and gets like fluffier. So to re-moisturize and keep frizz down, I'll use that number 6 bond smoother again, which is really just a leave-in conditioner, along with the number 7, which is this lovely smelling, lightweight, shiny oil blend. Alright, so these are my final results after using all 7 products in my wash day routine. This is day 4 hair, which is when it's the biggest and the true teller of if a product is good or not for me, because only a select few will allow me to last this long without having to redo my curls or wash it again. And I know it's not perfect or the neatest, but it's still wearable, especially for not touching it in 4 days. So if you have type 3 or type 4 hair, you should definitely give some of these products a try, especially my favorites, which are number 3, the Bond Builder, and number 4, the shampoo. My second favorites would probably be the number 6, which is that Bond Smoother / leave-in conditioner, and then definitely number 7, the little oil blend. The others worked great too, but I just didn't see as drastic of a change after using them like I did with number 3 or 4 or 6, which are their best sellers. Side note, if you are strict about using products that are Curly Girl approved, then you should stick to number 0 and 3. If you want to give any of these products a try, you can use my unique code or visit my Amazon shop, both of which are linked in the description. And be sure to check my channel for the next video on my first attempt at these side swept cornrows, better known as lemonade braids. Thanks a ton for watching. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this product review and what other brands you would like to see me try.